The supermarket.
Hi there. Need any help today?
Hi, yes, I look for bread.
Sure. Bread is in aisle 3.
Aisle 3, where is that?
Go straight, then turn left.
Okay, I go straight, then left.
Yes, you will see it quickly.
Thank you. I always get lost.
It happens. This place is big.
Also, where is the milk?
Milk is at the back, near eggs.
Back near eggs. I understand.
Do you need anything else?
Maybe. Fruit, like apples.
Fruit is next to vegetable section.
Next to vegetables. Okay, I try.
You are doing fine. Don't worry.
Shopping in English is hard.
You learn step by step here.
Do I pay here or front?
You pay at the front counters.
Front counters. I see them now.
Yes, there are many open today.
Good. I don't like long lines.
No one likes waiting in line.
Can I use card to pay?
Yes, card or cash is fine.
Nice. I only have my card.
That works perfectly. No problem.
Thank you. You helped me a lot.
You're welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
I hope I find everything today.
In the clothing store.
Hi, can I help you today?
Hi. Yes, I need a jacket.
Sure. What size do you wear?
Medium. I think medium.
Okay, we have many medium jackets.
I want something warm, not heavy.
This one is light and warm.
Oh, it looks nice. I like it.
You can try it in the fitting room.
Where is the fitting room?
It's over there, near the mirror.
Okay, I will try now.
Take your time, no rush.
It feels good on me.
How is the size for you?
It fits well, not too tight.
Great. Do you like the color?
Yes, but maybe darker color?
We have black and dark blue.
Black. I want to see black.
Here is the black one, same size.
Oh, nice. I like this more.
Good choice. Very popular style.
How much is this jacket?
It is 40 pounds today.
Okay, I will take this one.
Perfect. You can pay at the counter.
Do you take cards or cash?
Yes, both card and cash accepted.
Good. I only have my card.
No problem. Come this way, please.
Thank you. Shopping is easier now.
In the park.
Hi. Nice day in the park.
Hi. Yes, it is very nice.
Do you come here often?
Not really. This is my first time.
Oh, welcome. It's very peaceful.
Yes, I like the quiet here.
Do you want to sit there?
Yes, that bench looks good.
Let's go. It's near the trees.
Thank you. I feel relaxed now.
Do you live near this park?
No, I live a bit far.
How did you find this place?
My friend, she told me yesterday.
Good. Friends give nice suggestions.
Yes, she knows many good places.
Do you like walking or sitting?
I like walking, but slowly.
Slow walks are the best here.
What is that building over there?
That is a small cafe inside the park.
Oh, can we go there later?
Yes, we can get coffee there.
Nice. I want hot coffee today.
Good idea. It's a bit cold.
Yes, I forgot my jacket today.
Next time, bring something warm.
Yes, I will remember next time.
Do you come again this week?
Maybe if the weather is good.
Let's meet again here then.
Okay, I like this place already.
At the train station.
Hi, do you need help here?
Hi, yes, I need a ticket.
Sure. Where do you want to go?
I'm going to London today.
Okay, one ticket to London then.
Yes, one ticket, please.
Do you want a one-way ticket?
One way or return? I don't know.
Return means you come back later.
Oh, I need a return ticket then.
Good. What time do you travel?
Soon. Maybe next train, I think?
Next train leaves in 15 minutes.
Oh, that is very soon.
Yes, platform 5, not far away.
Platform 5. Where is that?
Go straight, then right at the sign.
Straight, then right. I understand.
You will see platform numbers above.
Do I need to print a ticket?
No, you get a ticket at the counter.
Can I pay with my card?
Yes, card or cash is fine.
Good. I only have my card.
Here is your ticket. Keep it safe.
Thank you. I feel less worried now.
No problem. Enjoy your journey.
Train station is a bit confusing.
Yes, but you learn very fast.
I try not to miss the train today.
Hurry now. Your train is ready.
Okay, I run now. Thank you.
First day at work.
Hi, welcome to your first day.
Hi. Thank you. I feel excited.
Don't worry, I will guide you.
Okay, I am a bit nervous.
That's normal on the first day here.
What do I do first today?
First, we set up your desk.
My desk. Where is it?
It's near the window. Follow me.
Oh, nice view from here.
Yes, many people like this spot.
Do I use this computer?
Yes, it is your work computer.
I hope I use it correctly.
I will show you everything slowly.
What time do we start work?
We start at 9 every morning.
And lunch? What time is lunch?
Lunch is at 1 for 1 hour.
Good. I was worried about that.
Yes, lunch is very important here.
Do I meet other team members?
Yes, I will introduce you after this.
I feel shy to meet everyone.
Just say hello. Keep it simple.
Okay. Hello. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. That is all you need.
This feels easier than I thought.
Good. You will learn more each day.
I hope I do a good job here.
You will do great, I'm sure.
The bus stop.
Hi, are you waiting for the bus?
Hi. Yes, I wait for the bus.
Which bus do you need today?
Number 10, I think?
Yes, number 10 stops right here.
Oh, good. I was not sure.
Where are you going today?
I go to the city center for shopping.
That bus goes straight to the center.
Nice. That is very easy then.
Do you have your ticket ready?
Ticket. I buy on the bus?
Yes, you can pay the driver directly.
Can I pay with my card?
Yes, card or cash, both accepted.
Good. I only have my card.
The bus comes every 10 minutes.
Every 10 minutes? That is fast.
Yes, you don't wait too long.
That is good. I don't like waiting.
Look, your bus is coming now.
Oh, I see it. Number 10.
Stand here. The door stops here.
Okay. I stand here and wait.
Let people get off first, please.
Yes, then I go inside after.
Exactly. You are doing it right.
Thank you. You help me a lot.
No problem. Enjoy your trip today.
I hope I don't miss my stop.
Just press the button in time.
At the doctor's office.
Hello, what brings you here today?
Hi, I have been feeling sick since yesterday.
I'm sorry, what are your symptoms?
I have a headache and sore throat.
Do you have a fever too?
Yes, a little fever last night.
Okay, let me check your temperature.
Okay, is it serious, doctor?
It looks like a mild infection.
Oh, that is good to hear.
Do you have any allergies?
No, I don't have allergies.
Are you taking any medicine now?
No, I did not take anything.
I will give you some medicine.
How often should I take it?
Take it twice a day after food.
Twice a day. I understand that.
Drink warm water and rest well.
Yes, I feel very tired today.
Try to sleep early tonight.
Can I go to work tomorrow?
Better to rest one more day.
Okay, I will stay home then.
If you feel worse, come back.
Yes, I will come again if needed.
You will feel better very soon.
Thank you, doctor. I feel calm now.
You're welcome. Take care always.
I hope I feel better tomorrow.
Buying shoes for his wife.
Hi, welcome. Can I help you?
Hi, I need shoes for my wife.
Great. What size does she wear?
I think maybe size 7 usually.
Perfect. We have many size 7s.
She likes comfortable and soft shoes.
Good choice. Comfort is very important.
I want something for daily walking.
We have sneakers and light flats.
She prefers sneakers, I think.
Okay, these sneakers are very popular.
They look nice. Can I see?
Yes, try them in the fitting room.
Where is the fitting room, please?
It's right there, near the mirrors.
Okay, I will try them now.
Take your time. I will wait.
They feel really comfortable, actually.
Wonderful. Does she like the color?
She likes something not too bright.
We also have black and beige.
Black sounds better. She likes simple things.
These black ones are very elegant.
Yes, I think she will love.
Would you like gift wrapping service?
Oh, yes, that would be perfect.
It makes a nice surprise gift.
I hope she really likes them.
I'm sure she will love them.
Can you tell me how much do these shoes cost?
They are $65 today only.
Okay, I will take these shoes.
Great. You can pay at the counter.
Can I pay with my card?
Yes, card or cash both work.
Good. I only have my card.
No problem. Please follow me now.
Thank you. This was very helpful.
You're welcome. Enjoy your day ahead.
I feel happy I chose right.
She will love your thoughtful gift.
I hope this makes her smile.
I'm sure it will. Goodbye now.
A new dress for a party.
Hi, welcome. Are you looking for a dress?
I need a new dress for a party.
Great. What kind of party is it today?
Something elegant. Not expensive, please.
Perfect. We have many options here.
I want something not too flashy.
This section has party dresses available.
They look nice. I feel unsure.
Try this blue dress first today.
Where is the changing room, please?
It is right behind the mirrors.
Okay, I will try it now.
Take your time. No worries here.
It fits me really well.
Yes, that color really suits you.
I like it, but still unsure.
We also have a red option.
Red sounds more bold, actually. Nice.
Red is very popular choice here.
I think red is better choice.
You can try accessories with it.
Accessories like necklace or earrings, maybe.
Yes, they complete your full look.
I feel more confident right now.
That is exactly the goal here.
How much is this dress, please?
It costs £70 today only.
Okay, I will take it today.
Great. I will pack it nicely.
Can I pay with my card?
Yes, card and cash both accepted.
Good, I only have my card.
Follow me, please, to the counter.
I hope everyone likes this dress.
I am sure they will love.
I feel excited now for party.
You will look amazing there tonight.
Thank you. This was really helpful.
You are welcome. Enjoy your shopping.
I am ready now for party.
Do you need matching shoes also?
Maybe yes, something simple and black.
We have shoes right next section.
Perfect. I will check them too.
Good choice. Take your time there.
At the pharmacy.
Hi, how can I help you?
Hi, I have a sore throat.
Since when do you feel it?
2 days. It is painful.
I understand. Do you have a fever?
Yes, slight fever yesterday night.
Do you have a cough also?
Yes, small dry cough too. I feel very uncomfortable.
I will give you medicine. Take it twice daily after food.
Okay, I understand the instructions clearly.
Drink warm water and rest.
Can I go to work tomorrow?
Better rest one more day.
I feel weak today, honestly.
That is normal for infection.
How much do I owe?
It is £10 only.
Can I pay with a card?
Yes, card or cash accepted.
Thank you. I feel better.
Take medicine and come back.
If I feel worse,
Yes, return immediately to the clinic.
any side effects I should know?
You may feel slight dizziness sometimes.
That sounds a little worrying.
It is usually not serious.
Can I take with me food?
Yes, always take after meals.
I sometimes forget my medicine.
Set alarm on your phone.
That is actually very helpful.
Keep medicine in a safe place.
Should I come again to check?
Yes, after 3 days review.
Okay, I will follow everything.
Good recovery. Take care yourself.
Can I store medicine here?
Yes, we can label it.
I feel more calm now.
Good. Stress makes symptoms worse.
I will rest at home.
Drink soup and stay warm.
Thank you for your patience.
You are welcome anytime here.
Pharmacy visits are less scary.
Yes, we help many people.